Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how we can enable and disable storage sense. And this option is just basically to automatically get rid of files like temporary and other stuff. So if you want to activate, you have to go for the settings, find system, next go for the storage, and this option appears right here. So we can turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files that we don't need, like temporary files and content in our recycle bin. I think that's a very useful feature and I'm going to enable it. But if you don't want, if you want to turn it off, just click here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.